Here's an example of how to evaluate a rational function for some specific x values. In this example, we're given f of x is equal to 2x plus 6 over x plus 1, and they ask us to determine the function values. First of all, in part A, f of 0, in part B, f of negative 3, and in part C, f of negative 1. So let's do part A, f of 0. So first of all, when evaluating any type of function, the number in the parentheses is always the x value. So 0 here is our x value that we need to substitute 0 in place of both x's in the function. Therefore, f of 0 is going to be 2 times 0 plus 6 divided by 0 plus 1. Just replace both x's with the number that's in parentheses. So from there, we'll simplify. 2 times 0 is 0, so we have 0 plus 6 divided by 0 plus 1 is 1. So 0 plus 6 in the numerator is 6. We've got 6 divided by 1, which simplifies to 6. So f of 0 is 6. What this is the y value effectively on the graph of the function. When x is 0, the function output is 6, and that corresponds to the y value. For part B, they're asking for f of negative 3. So f of negative 3. Once again, negative 3 is the x value this time, so we just need to take negative 3 and substitute it into the function in place of everywhere that x occurs. So we're going to have 2 times negative 3 plus 6 divided by negative 3 plus 1. 2 times negative 3 in the numerator is negative 6, so we've got negative 6 plus 6, and then negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 in the denominator. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0, so we've got 0 divided by negative 2. And 0 divided by any non-zero number is always 0. It doesn't matter what the denominator is, as long as it's anything non-zero. 0 divided by any non-zero number will always equal 0. So f of negative 3 is 0. And for the last part, part C, f of negative 1. Once again, negative 1 is the x value. So let's substitute negative 1 in place of x. 2 times negative 1 plus 6 divided by negative 1 plus 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So we've got negative 2 plus 6. That's all divided by negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. It simplifies to 4 divided by 0. And division by 0 is undefined. So 4 divided by 0 here is undefined. Which is undefined. So for f of negative 1, we would conclude that that is undefined.